Hello everyone, today I am at an automotive car event where manufacturers bring down all their latest cars for people like us to test drive, and today I'll be testing out the new 2021 Mini Cooper JCW GP3. So let's do a quick tour around the vehicle, exterior wise anyway. And the first distinguishing factor is you've got these four massive arches. Now these do look like they collect rocks for days, and I'm not too sure if I'm a massive fan of those, but we'll skip over it, forget about it. Massive alloy wheels, a very thin tyre wall there. I assume it is going to be a very tough ride. Fake ventage on the hood there, nothing goes through that, but there are some aero bits around the car. Going around the side, obviously classic Mini in this nice grey colour that's been going on for generations, like for example the Mark 1 and Mark 2 all look very similar to this grey and red striping colour. Around the back, a massive rear wing. Now this doesn't actually do anything at all, hence why it's got a rubber piece at the top here. Very pointless feature, but it's a bit like the Honda Civic Type R in terms of it's a front wheel drive car and it's got a massive wing at the back. As for the rear end though, oh my god, this car looks absolutely brutal. Dual exit exhaust, GP badges pretty much everywhere dotted around the car. Let's have a look at the boot. Okay, of course, now there's going to be loads of space in there because there isn't 5 seats or 4 seats. There's only 2 seats in this car. You can see the strut brace though, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Hell yeah. Not too sure if that actually does anything, but moving on. Union Jack tail lights, LED performance lights or LED mini headlights, which are pretty brutal at night, and yeah, plenty of vents for that cooling that you need obviously for the 2-litre crazily powered engine. Anyway, let's have a look inside and see what's what. Jumping over to the interior, and you are greeted with loads of GP badges. GP badges on the door sills right down there, GP across the dash with the car number, so this is car number 25. And it is different for every single individual GP car or GP3. And also it greets you with the GP badge on the little digital screen in front of you. Very similar to the Mini Cooper S, but this is more crazier, a little bit more hunkered down. No heads-up display in this car, of course. Don't know why actually, it should have a heads-up display, but actually it's better not to have heads-up display because the Mini heads-up display is pretty poor. On the whole though, crazy interior. There's not much to it. Wireless charging down here, bizarrely. Proper handbrake, no electronic gubbins, and also the automatic gearbox, which we'll get onto later. But if we start the car and check out the infotainment system. Now, something very cool on the infotainment system is when you adjust the climate controls, the little red semicircle, well, half circle light changes color as well, and it's pretty cool. One other thing I do like as well is you've got integrated door locks into the door handle, so when that comes out, the locks come out as well. Pretty interesting, very different. I haven't seen that in any other cars, so very unique to the Mini. Also, extremely small glove box. Didn't anticipate that. Well, that's something you need to bear in mind. Anyway, I think I've spoken enough. I think it's time we went for a little hoon in the Mini Cooper JCW GP3. Very long name. Anyway, let's go. Right guys, now let's go for a drive in the Mini Cooper GP3, and the first thing I love about this car is the startup. Take a listen. Woohoo! Yeah boy! Let's freaking go. Is there a reversing camera? Handbrake off. No reversing camera? You're taking the mick? £50,000 and there's no reversing camera? Ah, Mini. Ah, Mini, gotta love Mini, eh? Now, arch rivals to this car. What have you got? Golf R, but that's all-wheel drive. I can see its arch rival right there, the Honda Civic Type R. Look at that thing. I think I prefer that over this car, the looks wise anyway. One thing I didn't mention on the exterior walk around is the fact that on the 4 arches you actually have, well, on 2 of them you have the number, well, the number that this car is, so 25. You can see 25 on there. They're crazy large, and you can see it from a mile away. But driving this car, it's mental. It's pretty low to the ground. I feel very low to the ground even. Take a listen to this. Oh, there's only one mode, and that's just the hardcore mode that the Mini comes in. No sports mode. Really do want to push it. It sounds crazy on start. You will never get bored of that exhaust. First thing I'm noticing is I could already feel the steering wheel tug, and that's not really that good. There was a lot of torque steer in the Mini Q-Press convertible, and I feel like it's been brought up to this car as well. And do people like torque steer? No, they don't. So a few facts about this car. 302 brake horsepower, tops out at 164 miles per hour, weighs in at 1.3 tons. So very light car. Mini have done a lot of things to take the weight out of this car, for example like removing the rear seat, but I don't think that was a really good choice. The steering wheel feels fantastic already. You've got BMW indicators which aren't the best. Anyway, let's put it in manual mode and go for a little blast. Let's go left actually. Right, you guys ready? Oh god, I didn't realize the shifts. Okay, it's so hard, it's so stiff. God, it's so stiff though. Let's do another pull. Oh my god, I need to stop saying oh my god, but this car is mentally quick. Whoa, whoa, wow, wow, wow. Yeah, steering is pretty tight. Handling, it's not the best unfortunately, even though I feel like the front tyres are gripping more on the back. I'm not too sure if it's really the best hot hatch out there for the price, 50 grand. This is a mental car though. I cannot say that it isn't. Let's back it into reverse. I'm really appalled that this car doesn't come with a reversing camera. It might be saving weight, just a few grams. Right, manual gears. Whoa, straight off the bat. Ready for another pull, guys? Whoa! Whoa! This is crazy! Whoa, 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 whoa! What the hell is this? This is a machine! What? What on earth? What the hell is this? What on earth? This is one animal. Guys, ready? Holy crap! Holy crap, this wants to go! Oh, full send. Whoa. The front tyres are just, they're struggling for traction, put it that way. Ready for downshifts? That wasn't too good. Right, we'll go straight ahead and then come back around. My blimey, hell, this is mental. This shouldn't be legal. Yeah, this car will probably make you lose your license or get points on your license without a doubt. It's too quick. You don't even feel 50 miles per hour, even with the stiff suspension. Do love all these toggles and switches. I did mention it in my Mini Q-Press convertible review. No sound system, No Harman Kardon sound system, unfortunately. There is a spec sheet underneath here somewhere. Visibility, oh, it's not the best. The convertible wasn't the best with visibility either. It's manageable. I don't know, you may need a second car to go to work and back. It's not a daily machine at all. Take a listen to that. Revs to 6,500 RPM. Oh, wow. It really wants to go. It really wants to go. What the hell is that torque? There's so much torque steer. Oh my God, I'm not impressed with how much torque steer there is. Yeah, oh, the exhaust is great though. It's probably the best sound, it's one of the best sounding cars though. Mini smash it with the noise. They smash it with the noise. What a machine though this is, what a machine. When this drops in price, I'd love to get one. GP2s are great as well, the prior one. Now the digital dials in front of me, once again, not a huge fan of this. I can't see the red line actually, the revs. As soon as it passes 5,000 RPM, I cannot see that rev gauge. And imagine if this car was a manual, it'd be a pain in the bum to shift. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. That's all I have. I only have 35-40 minutes with this car, unfortunately, but honestly, thank you for watching. Please do like, do all the good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.